ye tia ni kurom ha enya asem ketwa enei ukodun so bomu kodun so crowd agba betua ho tax ena makwaje bisia enti say $200 million se mu besisi adan ama Ghana for ye ni baabi te ye nya baabi atena me pacho adan no ewo hin na mani enwasem man feri ni pan feri nyankopon mo da ya mo dwene kwan be foto mo be wia Ghana no mo ye man himo man suro se nyame katasoro ho no ma bo so mpanifo se wo bokotoko ase no na nyakopon wo hwe woto man suro ase be tina Ghana for kro ya nim se obia ma mo 100 Ghana cedis na mo fon ko sia sori dan e ma nyakopon metinam na nyame sumpa ben ene se se wa hwe wunu ayie nyame sumpa ben ene se wa mo bi baabi ada nyame sumpa ben ene se go be jare na we see good hospitals what provide good health care nyame sumpa ben. If you are doing this to impress God for God to know say Ghana penifo mo ye Christians say indeed Christian countries that me pamacho wo de nyame ani jehu a wo twan se mo penifo yi ye nchenifo yi ala ba la luba du fo yi asamo de hu we do kan sa azanta na panta na fo penifo yi de nyame hwe ni mu se mo beye ene se mo be ma yen Ghana fo na setena pa enu nti na woni nyame ne ma mo ho kwam beye ye penifo wansuma mo cathedral nyame wansuma wo bia cathedral nyame kan kire mu se wo ye homeless na makwaje pise 200 million mo award contract mani pa we ne no mo award contract mani pa we ne affordable houses in komo award over 4 contracts to different companies ene sikano ye bekire ma bekire asia kosisan ya ebesisi ya chadi Ghana penifo ye nchedifo ma chadi ene 3 o'clock Ghana niba was sister enya si empese bo bra wo ye pese ye bo bra nanso sikane de wo bua no ni nyina ye de wodi tua rent business impo na benya na wo shop atua na so affordable houses are available and a Ghana ni bia kakra we kuta ni benya baabi ada enka landladies na landlords was already a dan 800 cedis 1200 cedis 2000 na Ghana ho rented dan kwadi agba rented dan dollars no anka wo mu nyina bejai womu nyina beja ma obi apani baabi atena na yeti omanyi mu a empanimfo omonwen wo manyi ho ene da ho kire wo koro ha maji $200 million se mu besi mu tiri so no ma pampa so affordable houses ama nkrofo atenam $200 million affordable houses na ewen affordable houses na ewen. I am so much on the MPP because this project started way back of Force regime. Na medanyankopon asema the life of your attorney general. Medanyame asema the life of your attorney general. Ah, what sorry asema say what the omanyi, what the abanet your manyi so no, what the mbeko court. Because ye chen affordable houses na ma ene yentumi o. Ye ma ye han dan no, yentumi. Enti ye ba abonteni ye kasa ni preso Ghana fo a, mo kama no ntum, mo am ho atam no, mo miema na me ye kasa. Ene wo pe baabi abetena na obeda so na ensuo ntwimfa wo so a ensuo to a emfa wo nkwa a timbe enho na wutua 8 million timbe enho na wutua 7 million na fiera se meji 1.5 fiera se meji 2 years ene de ti krom ha. And if you want to live and live well healthy e won kan podium ha say ya abra maji bes we ye kan say ma wo hu ye na Ghana fo bi mu ye wo kasa wani bredro e wo se wani bre because so your man ba apa sa besia $200 million na mo kwaje ye no wo na wutua ka wo ana wonim. You don't have an idea besia na mo kwaje ye no wonim se ensia hu ada hu no be wie no matua $200 and almost $40 million sa sika no me no na etua wo ana wonim. Enti what ye wakuma mu pa wo pa as a citizen, as a Ghanaian. And say, wo bebre na wo de atua ka bia ma obi papa sasika na go ni botom. Na wo bode mo guys, wo mo de man kwasiafo to wi nom. E de man kwasiafo bia companies wa Ghana ha ene na wo de wo pe. Enu nti na wo se hu hia se wo be sore na wakasa se o man papa. Wo be sore na wakasa se Ghana ni. Na ye mpanifo ni di yawu. Yem penifo ni timu aden. Eba ni sen no kotre kwari ni makoba aponchene me be brete hu fifire. Eba ni sen. Eda Ghana asete ma ye din. rent. When you to be a bien and one rent, you to be a bien and one rent. Yen to me rent no, yen to me. Now so anka mosisi ya dan asa dan na basa ebe boa. Ama sa rent buburu je ye na ye tue yi. Eswati. Yen to me. Ma hu we ya feri we. Ansuro nyame obo osoro bo asase be gina say ye ma 100 cedis wo ye ma mu triso ma pampa so. Did we send you to build a cathedral? And we are not crying, say you're comfortable in our churches. And then sorry, send baby air conditioned, fully air conditioned. We are okay. We don't need any nonsense from you people. They hear me rent affordable houses, the moon putting it to use. Nanyame some papia di one ma essence say. Wama wouldn't ye baby pada. Nyame some papia di wa essence say. What dream wouldn't ye be ye dear home? Nyame some papia di one ma essence say. Wouldn't ye be yare? No provide good health care, man. Into Ghana and penny for some person young couple who say, Moye Christians now. Indeed, Ghana is a Christian country. Then the rightful thing to be done. And it's a more big giant who no. Now my share Ghana for us it's them. Me say as late as 3 a.m. I feel I'm a real crowd. Was it men kumao? Na one was a danya wa demuno. Akolano was a danya wa demuno. Emuna no odiane. Emuna free see. And so tired you can't stand it. Yet was sorry rent to go so costro. Meanwhile, me no me need jet tax for business a loan of $200 million. Nam penny for akwaje dia bo mutiri o mapampa so kromwa. And you take krom hand ye hwe wo mo. It's about time. We are youth, me a youth. And if you don't have an idea, if you do not know, Mr. Besiano, me no wo and a yetia. Attorney General, at the bank to sway court. Some woman no contracts now reward over 4 different contractors. And your Ghanaian contractors krano. Now be kranya be to the bottom no. Moment I'm offer who receipt imra. It's about time we stand for accountability. It's about time we ask them what they do with our monies. It's about time we ask them what they do with our sweats. Na ya din ya chomayimo de biada na pani biaba as a krom ha ye chani wo biaba do pa no baba ye na okọ. Yansuma wo bia so one penny for biantum. Concerning the affordable houses no, we don't ask any of you to arrest them because they anymore. Abamu ham penny for. Mo chini patumwa. Mochini we are not mama for a child command bill. Munyesi kamai. Affordable houses here, Attorney General. What shall they get mu ama wuhum? Sa wo sha make sure say be affordable houses this kafa no. You are not looking for arrest. E ma mo ncho bi antum. Munyesi kamai na mo chio mutum mo be for child for grant wo mo bill. Mo be for child for grant wo mo bill. Munyesi kamai. Me patro sa person we obi a wo fuso. We obi a wo to abo. We nipa dia ni shape bia ni. Now, person was sitting away. Come, said the Maya come, ma mienu with Caesar, Caesar session out at the Chamium. Me patcho when ye Ghana based organic, tea, any juicy, one the sizes weigh 2,500 ml, weigh 500 ml, and a weigh 1,500 ml. Where Mamma Hunina and Pacho air butchery and Yamedia, Crofona or Dan Echo. Inti wo oda me pacho size bia pe bia de bebro when you drop back up Ghana for ni wiasa for na broche for nyina jetum so person wo so tina wo so to in shape wo person wo slimming now slimming right and sexy me pacho tea any juice way Ghana based organic so the best yama wo so ati a wo be ye no wa be feel benze mama me tena se me no me anu sika enu ti ye wo hu pan see a come one seven. You will home pine, see a sorigina. And I had a chrome higher. Creating jobs are way. One district, one factory, you hooray. Me sorry, one district, one factory, you be boa pro. Baby Paco Panama County, a baby card and him. Oh, I can't want some. Yes, a red book was a pink book was a green book. Then people walk off have a tour. Ya be a woman when I, a couple of facts said I found for this show. But and then you're near beer as citizens. And not spectators. Until you Busamo say $200 million, no. Akola began and me baby I won't deserve our life on one no. Why not? Was soon the whole night. Say ya turn at rent mu ko 20 million a year. When ni bed your offer sika na